What's your name, girl?
Queen.
Okay, Queen. Queen, who you here with tonight?
My best friend, Laura.
Laura, what's going? She's like, that's me, I'm her bestie. And you guys got a boyfriend or a girlfriend? You got somebody?
I have nobody.
What about you? You got somebody?
I got dumped today.
Oh no! How long were you two together?
2 years.
Damn. Why did he dump you? What happened? What do you think it was? You think he just wasn't ready?
He's just really busy.
I don't like this guy. I don't like him. Did you like him ever?
Hell no!